Hey everybody, Lois Ladies of Justice League.com. Want to bring you some history of Honosuke. This is the Tempura Bowl. So we have the legend of Honosuke. Pardon all the interruptions, but anyway, here's some pictures, photographs. Here's his photograph. Awesome. And yeah, Honosuke Kaneko, Honosuke. So here's this picture over in Tokyo, and yeah, there's something fabulous tempura. And get back to you all about them. Just read the description. But yeah, look at that. Zagat Awards. Great. Lois Ladies of Justice League.com. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Here's what we got going. Alright. There you go. Does that look yummy or what? Slurp. Comment, like, share, subscribe.